All right, welcome back. We are on level 2 of lesson 4, shapes and parameters. So it says rectangle size. The two new parameters in the rectangle block control the width and height of the rectangles. The toolbox has also been updated with the new block that can help you remember what each parameter stands for. All right, so X, X-axis, Y, Y-axis, W for width, H for height. Let's see if we can adjust these new parameters so the red rectangle is longer than the blue rectangle, like the picture on the right. So do this. Change the numbers in the second rectangle to make the red rectangle longer than the blue one. So let's click Run. All right, so if this is 100, 100, 100, 200, so we're going to go to the red one, and it says 250. So 250 is the x-axis. 100 is the y-axis, so that's where the rectangle starts. 100 here is the width, and then 150 is the height. So we're going to make that 250, which should make it longer than the blue one. So we're going to reset, run. That looks correct to me. So it was easy. We had to change one thing on the whole thing, so that's nice. All right, so we're going to click the yellow finish button or orange finish button, and I will see you on level 3. Here we go.